I'm going to be showing you how to use unions in Roblox. So the first thing I'm going to do for this example, I'm just going to get two parts. So I'm going to click part, and I'm going to click it again. And I'm just going to click it again too. And I'm just going to move them apart. I'm going to color them, so I'm just going to go here, change this one to green, and then I'm going to change this one to blue. Now we have three parts. So how a union works, you can get multiple parts, and you can basically turn them into one part. So I'm just going to select all these, union them, and as you can see here, they move like one part. So if I go to view here, go to explore and properties, you can see and explore that we have our union here. And actually if we go into here, you can see it removed some of the areas that you can't see here, just like touching surfaces. Now with unions, if you select it here, you can go to properties and change some stuff like the smoothing angle, how good it renders, like precise and automatic, and then use part color. If you enable this, it'll make everything use the same color as the union. If you have it off, it'll just be the color it originally was. You can also change the way the collision works. So if I actually go to studio settings here, if I go to studio settings and go to studio and scroll down a bit, you'll find this in visualization, and you just want to check this. And then here we can see the collision, like the true collision of the union. As you can see here, it's not that accurate because it's on default. But if we change it to precise, it'll be as precise as it can. So this is basically just how it looks. And then if we go to box, it'll make the collision just a box. And then if we go to hole, it'll make it so there's no holes inside of the collision. So like if you wanted to make a sphere, you could turn this on and it'll save a little bit of performance on that. But I'm just going to keep it on default. I'm going to turn this off, so I'm just going to go back to studio settings and uncheck this. Now the next cool thing you can do with unions, if I go back to model here, you can actually make holes inside of unions. So if I get a sphere here, and let's say I just wanted to make a hole right here, I'm just going to shrink it down into the part. I want to make a hole right here in the union. So I'm just going to press negate here. Then as you can see here, we have a transparent part. And if I select both of these and then press union, it'll make a hole inside of this part here. And you can make pretty complex shapes with this. And just to show you, to make this look a bit better, if I go to precise here, it'll look like the actual shape. If I just keep it on automatic, it'll try to save a better performance on rendering it. So let's say I wanted to make like a circular hallway with this. I'm going to get a part here, and then I'm going to get a cylinder. It's going to put it through here, and this is where the hole is going to be for the hallway. I'm just going to go here, and then to make it more shaped like a hallway, I'm just going to go to properties down here, turn this into a box, and this is good enough. Now I'm going to select both of these, press negate and model, select all of them, and then union. And as you can see here, we've made a little hallway. And if I go into the game real quick, by pressing play here, you can walk through it. Make sure to slap the like button if this tutorial helped you, subscribe for more daily tutorials, and peace.